If you only have one source of income, you're walking on thin ice. One job loss, one business problem, or one financial crisis, and everything falls apart. That's why the rich don't rely on a single paycheck. They build multiple streams of income. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create different income streams in 2025, even if you're starting from zero. Welcome to Dollar Decision, where we talk about money, side hustles, and financial freedom. Today, I'll break down 1. What multiple streams of income really means. 2. The main types of income streams you can build. 3. Practical examples you can start today. 4. How to manage these streams without burning out. 5. The step-by-step method to grow your income in 2025. Stick with me till the end because I'll share the 3 easiest income streams you can start right now with little or no money. Section 1. Why multiple streams matter. Here's the truth, relying only on your salary keeps you broke. Most millionaires have at least 7 streams of income. The reason is simple: diversification. If one stream slows down, the others keep the cash flowing. Think of it like a table. A table with one leg falls easily, but a table with 5 or 6 legs stands strong. If you want financial freedom, you must stop depending on only one paycheck. Section 2. Types of income streams. Let's break down the main types of income streams you can build. 1. Earned income, money from a job or freelance work. This is trading time for money. It's usually the first stream people start with. 2. Profit income, money from selling something, whether it's products or services. Example, running an online store or dropshipping. 3. Interest income, money you earn from savings or lending. Example, high-yield savings accounts, bonds, or peer-to-peer lending. 4. Dividend income, money you earn by owning shares of a company. You get paid just for holding stocks. 5. Rental income, money from property. This includes renting houses, apartments, or even digital property like websites. 6. Capital gains, profit from selling an asset at a higher price than you bought it. Example, stocks, crypto, or real estate. 7. Royalty or licensing income, money from intellectual property. Example, writing a book, music royalties, or licensing a photo. The goal is not to build all at once, but to start small and grow. Section 3. Practical streams you can start in 2025. Now let's get real. What are the practical income streams you can build this year? 1. Freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to make money with your skills. Writing, design, coding, video editing, anything in demand. 2. YouTube or content creation. You don't need to show your face. You can create faceless channels in finance, tech, or motivation and monetize with ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products online and get paid when people buy through your link. It works with YouTube, TikTok, or even a blog. 4. Print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or bags. Websites like Printify or Redbubble handle printing and shipping. You earn from sales. 5. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, or online courses. You build once and sell forever. 6. Stock market investing. Start with apps like Robinhood or eToro. Dividend stocks pay you even while you sleep. 7. Crypto and Web3 projects. High risk, but can be rewarding. Always research and don't put all your money there. 8. Real estate, rental income or Airbnb hosting. If you don't own property, consider REITs, real estate investment trusts. 9. Side hustles with AI. AI tools in 2025 help automate businesses like copywriting, graphic design, or video creation. 10. High-demand skills, learning skills like coding, data analysis, or AI prompt engineering and using them for freelance gigs. Section 4. How to build them step by step. Let me give you a simple 4-step method to build multiple streams. 1. Step 1. Start with one strong stream. Don't chase everything at once. Focus on one income stream first, usually your job or freelancing. 2. Step 2. Use that income to build the next. Save and reinvest. For example, use freelancing money to buy dividend stocks, or YouTube money to create an ebook. 3. Step 3. Automate and scale. As one stream grows, automate it. Example, schedule content, outsource tasks, or invest in passive sources like index funds. 4. Step 4. Keep adding over time. In 1 year, you might have 2 or 3 streams. In 5 years, you could have 7 or more. That's how wealth is built. Section 5. How to manage multiple streams. Managing multiple streams doesn't mean working 24/7. Here's how to handle it. Use digital tools like Notion or Trello to stay organized. Automate savings and investments. Outsource small tasks once you start making money. Track your streams monthly to see which ones grow fastest. Remember, the goal is freedom, not burnout. So here's the big lesson. Relying on one income source keeps you stuck. Building multiple streams makes you financially free. Start small, grow slowly, and keep stacking streams over time. If you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Dollar Decision, and turn on notifications. Tell me in the comments, which income stream are you starting this year? And if you want more videos on side hustles, passive income, and smart money hacks, check out my playlist linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.